Alright, so we're doing our second Daiya pizza. And this one is fire roasted vegetables. Well, it's vegetables, so you know it's going to be vegan, except for it's not a wheat crust. Gluten-free pizza. It's dairy and soy-free. And it says on the back, fire roasted veggies and veggies on veggies, onion, roasted garlic, tomato, basil, fire roasted peppers, and our famous stretchy mozzarella style shreds. This pizza's got everything. Well, actually, it doesn't have any meat. Okay? So that's what we're going to be doing next. Come and watch this pizza.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Okay, so we're going to open up the package. And someplace, there it is. I can never open these things up. See, I just have no luck with these things. Obviously, I didn't go to school and learn how to open a box. Yeah, this worked really well. How to do it manhandle. Okay. Now that's what the pizza is going to look like. It's full of vegetable. It looks like it's got green peppers, all kinds of cool things. It's a lot different than the pepperoni pizza we had the other day. Alright, so it's going to sit at probably similar to the other instructions. It's going to be a 475 degree or 240 Celsius oven. And mine is big, and we said 475. And we press start. Now let me double check that. Yeah, 475. And you got to take this plastic off. That's just to keep it, you know, so it doesn't fall apart. You don't need this cardboard. That's just to prevent it from falling apart. I got this pan. It's got thousands of holes. Works really good for pizzas. It gets it a chance to dry it. Okay, now it's going to cook. The instructions are 10 to 15 minutes, so we're going to cook it 15 minutes. I know it's going to be perfect. See, right now it's at 100 degrees. We have to wait till we get to 475. See you in a bit. Alright, so it's at 475. It just beeped. So now what we're doing is we're putting it in the oven. 15. And we're going to start, and you see how it's counting down, 14, 58, 57, anyway, you get the point. So in 15 minutes, it's going to call, let us know it's ready, and we'll pull the pizza and taste it. See you in a bit. Alright, so it just rang, so let me get the mitt. Pull it out of the oven. It's really hot. Don't forget to turn off your oven. And for me, close the door, press off, no more red here, so you know it's off. The pizza is ready. I take a nice picture of it. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to serve it. Now, if you're curious, a quarter of the pizza, this serves 3 people. That's going to be kind of weird to cut. So a third of the pizza is 370 calories. 130 from fat, 15 grams of fat, 4 grams saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 560 milligrams of salt, total carbohydrates 56, dietary fiber 5, 7 sugars, and 5 grams of protein. All right. It has 10% of vitamin A, and it has 6% of calcium and 8% of iron. These are the ingredients here, which by now you would have already seen them. Okay, now to cut it. I don't think I'm going to be able to cut this in thirds. So I'm going to cut it in half. Let you mathematical wizards figure out how that works. Now last time I did it, it was far easier to cut, but this time it's not the case. It cooked in its allocated time. Okay, you can see it's apart. The advantage of thin crust pizzas. Okay, I got that part now. I think I do. Sucker's hot. Okay, so now a quarter of this is going to my mom. And a quarter... Mom, you want more cheese or less cheese?
More cheese.
Okay, so we're going to let you know what it tastes like in a minute. Mom, I brought you some water too. And you get to see me eat my pizza. Now I took the pizza with a little bit more character. If you take a look at this, it's got this weird brown type of look to it. I'm going to assume that to be maybe mushrooms with cheese on it. Okay. Now, it's a little difficult to eat because I have to break the crust first. Now you have to remember, this just came out of the oven. And the oven, the bottom of the crust, looks really nice. And it's not like a pizza from, say, some fancy pizza chain. But it's a tolerable dinner that you can share with your non-vegan friends, so that they can, so that way you can have them over, have this pizza, you know, they'll say it's a little crispy, but you can share it that way. Or you can just share it with your entire vegan family, and you don't have to worry about the wheat in it because it's gluten-free. It tastes good. It's just a little crispier. Now what I would have loved them to make is a thick crust pizza, because I really like the thick crust. But you know, I can live with this. Well, thanks so much for joining us on this video, and we will look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.